For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using Benign Clown Whites to, highlights for eyeshadow. So yeah, I take a little bit from the pot, go directly onto my eyelids. Yeah. For eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Some African Cream palette. To start, we're going to be using this shade called Foaming as our first transition shade. You dust it off and then from the outer corner to the inner corner. To go in with a lighter shade of brown called Inkem. Yeah, just to gently soften the edges of our first transition shade. You see how soft the edges look now? It doesn't look as harsh as we started applying. Yeah. Our edges are blended and our first transition looks uh diffused, so we are going to emphasize that more. Just you see that blend, that's exactly what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to go in with the brush I used for the eyeshadow base to further blend my eyeshadow base. This very fluffy brush to apply the lid color. I'm going with the shade Cheesy. Done with the eyeshadow, we're going to do our eyeliner. So to line the eye, I'm going to be using this Carrot Gel liner with a small liner brush. And we're going to do our mascara. Guys, we are done with the eyes. Let's do the rest of the face. So for the face, we are going to dust off the excess powder. So yeah, after we are done with the face, we are going to set the face. So because of my eyeshadow, I wouldn't like to spray directly onto my face. I'm going to spray it on my beauty blender, and then with a very light hand, I'm going to dab it onto my skin.